Good morning. This is Jackie at Jackie's Travels. I'm out here at the Brown County Park on the bay, and there's a nice little park here and camping, and for you fishermen there is a boat launch so you can go fishing. So I thought I'd do a quick video of this place, and just so you can see, this is a nice area for, give me a moment, for picnicking. There's a playground for the kids. And there's plenty of actually picnic tables out here. This is just on one side of it. Back that way is the campground. Here's some more picnic tables. Here is, I'm going to swing you a little bit. Here is a building where you can hold a function. On the other side is another place where you can hold a function. I'm going to take the car and we're going to go back into the campground. I'm hoping I can do this. We'll go to the car. I want this all in one video, so I'm not going to pause it. You're going to have to bear with me, or I will pause it and see what happens.